In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front wheel bearings on this GMC Sierra. These are going to be located behind the front wheels. Let's get into it. Now we're going to take off the wheel. Use a 22mm socket to take the lug nuts off. Remove the wheel. We're going to take the caliper and the caliper bracket off together and out of the way. We're going to take these two bolts out, use an 18mm socket. I'm going to grab the caliper and bracket. And we're going to take a brake caliper hanger and just hang the caliper out of the way. We're going to remove the rotor, remove this screw, use a T30 socket, take the screw out, grab the rotor, slide it off. If it doesn't come off that easy, you want to hit in these locations with a hammer. Take that off. And we're going to take the axle nut off. Use a 36mm socket. Pull that off. Pull the washer off. Now just give the axle a tap. Just make sure that's loose. That's good. Now I'll just take a punch. Just give the axle a tap. Make sure that's loose. That's good. You can see the wire that goes to the wheel speed sensor. I'm going to use a trim tool, just get underneath the little retainer here, pop this up. It's a little bit easier to disconnect. You can see there's a little lock on here. I'm just going to use a pocket screwdriver. Just use a pocket screwdriver. Push that back and push down on the tab. And disconnect the connector. Pop that out. This retainer, we'll just pop this one up. Get underneath there. And then one more retainer over here. Just pop this out. Just using the trim tool. That's loose. On the back side, we're going to take these three 15mm bolts out. Just use a 15mm socket. Take these out. If you're using a air tool or electric tools, you want to just take a piece of plastic or something to protect the CV boot and a 15mm socket and take those out. I'm just going to give it a tap from the back side. Separate it from the knuckle. And go on both sides. Back and forth. There we go. And pull that off. Pull the shield through. Going to go back right there. I'm just going to use a wire brush, just clean up some of the surface rust. I'm just going to use a thin coat of anti-seize and just coat this area just for the future so that the hub doesn't stick to the knuckle, just to prevent some corrosion. Just a thin coat. That's good. Now take the new hub, put the wire for the wheel speed sensor through this shield. I'll line this up. That's good. And get the bolts started from the back side. And tighten these down. Then you want to torque these bolts to 133 foot-pounds. Take the wiring harness, we're going to re-secure it. Take this clip, that's going to go into the bracket. Just push that in, clip that in place. And the retainer is going to go into this bracket. That's good. Take the connector, line that up, push that in, push down on the lock, and the retainer is going to line up in the two holes right there. Just push that down in place. That's good. And put the nut on. The spindle nut, tighten that down. Snug that down. We're going to torque the axle nut to 177 foot-pounds. Just going to spray a little anti-seize on the hub surface. Just to slow down corrosion. Slide the rotor in place. Make sure you have the threaded hole lined up with one of those holes. And you put the screw in. Snug that down. And take the caliper off the hanger. Slide it over the rotor. Make sure the pads are spread apart. Get the bolts started. Tighten these down. Torque these to 170 foot-pounds. Now put the wheel on. Get the lug nut started. And snug these down. Now we're going to torque these lug nuts in a cross pattern to 140 foot-pounds. Just go around again, double check.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.